Hey, what's up guys? It's Praveen here. Let's check out the top 10 facts of the day. Number 10. DNA is fireproof. Your DNA is pretty miraculous in that it encodes the entire blueprint for our body using a set of only 4 characters, which is amino acids. And that's not all. If you treat the outside surface of a cotton fabric with concentrated genetic material, the DNA is flame retardant. It seems the molecules that make up DNA are similar to those that make up other fireproofing substances. Number 9. The ocean produces up to 85% of the Earth's oxygen. Tiny sea-dwelling creatures called phytoplanks are actually the ones that produce the vast majority of the oxygen in our atmosphere, which is 50 to 85% to be exact. Though they are too small to see without a microscope, they live in the upper layers of water and use the same method plants do, which is photosynthesis, to convert sunlight into energy, creating oxygen in the process. Number 8. Bamboo is the world's fastest growing plant. There are about 1,000 different kinds of bamboos and many grow quite fast. But only a few species can reach Guinness World Record speeds. The current record is an astonishing rate of 35 inches in a day, which is nearly 3 feet. The more typical growth rate in temperate climates is more likely 1 to 4 inches per day, which is still a lot. Number 7. Liquids can boil and freeze at the same time. While this sounds completely counterintuitive, all substances have what's called a triple point, or the exact temperature and pressure at which the 3 main states of matter, gas, liquid and solid, are at equilibrium. For water, the point exists at 0.01 degree Celsius, which is 32.018 degree Fahrenheit, and 611.657 pascals of partial vapor pressure. Number 6. More than 200 viruses can result in a cold. There are more than 200 different viruses that can cause symptoms of the common cold. These upper respiratory infections are usually due to a rhinovirus, but coronaviruses, adenoviruses, and enteroviruses can all result in the common cold as well. Number 5. In space, metal can weld on its own. On Earth, you need heat to fuse metal, but in space, 2 pieces of the same kind of metal will fuse together with only a little pressure. The process is called cold welding, and it happens because of the lack of atmosphere. Number 4. Acacia trees can warn each other of danger. Arcadia trees, which grow all over the African savanna, have a global unique defense system. When animals like antelopes start to gobble up its leaves, the tree increases tannin production to levels that are toxic to animals. But that's not all. The tree then emits a cloud of ethane gas that travels around the air, reaching other trees so that they too can bring production more tannins. Number 3. You can't taste food without saliva. In order for food to have taste, chemicals from the food must first dissolve in saliva. It's only once they have been dissolved in a liquid that the chemicals can be detected by the receptors on the taste buds. During this process, some saliva constituents chemically interact with the taste substances. For example, salivary buffers, example bicarbonate ions, decrease the concentration of free hydrogen ions, which is sour taste, and there are some salivary proteins which may blind with bitter taste substances. Number 2. The majority of life on Earth is aquatic. As so much of the Earth's surface is underwater, it comes as no surprise that the marine species outnumber those on land. But it's an incredible 94% of the Earth's living species that exist within the oceans. Number 1. The world's highest unclimbable mountain is the 24,981 feet Gangkar Pensam in Bhutan, which is the world's 40th highest mountain.